Hello everyone, my name is Aman Jain and today I'm excited to share with you a project I've been working on called the Student Attendance Management System. This system simplifies attendance tracking and automatically sends notification or email to their parents if a student's attendance falls below a certain threshold. So here we have an introduction of my project. So the goal of this project is to automate the process of tracking student attendance and notifying parents when their child has less than 60% attendance. This can save time for teachers and help parents stay informed about their child's progress. So here we have a brief introduction of the technologies and some system that I have used. So here we have some key features of my project. So the first one is attendance tracking. So we will record daily attendance for each student and update and manage attendance records. And the second key feature of my project is notifications. So in this project we will try to send an email uh, for those students who have a attendance less than 60%, and customized notification template is another one feature of my project. And we can also generate PDF file uh, for those students who have a attendance less than 60. And the next key feature is user role. So the first one is administrator. So administrator can manage student records, configure attendance threshold, view attendance report, and manage attendance or notification. So then we have a role of teacher. So the teacher can record daily attendance and view attendance report. And the role of parents is receive emails and SMS notification. Then we have system components. So here we have brief overview of technologies. So in this project, I have used technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, and Node.js, Express.js, and some JavaScript framework for backend. And I have used database like MySQL for storing parents' details, their emails, and some more features. And for notification or email service, I have used JavaScript. For the backend, I have used Node.js and Express.js to handle file uploads, process the data, and send notification via email using NodeMailer. To handle file and uploads, I have used the Multi library, and to read the Excel files, I am using XLSX library. Let's start by setting up the project and going through the folder structure. So here you can see I have organized my files into separate folder for public, where we can store static file like CSS and any front-end assets, and uploads, which is where the attendance Excel files will be temporarily stored after teachers upload them. Then we have the main service logic in the index.js file. Here we have an index.js file. Let's open our project and VS Code. So first of all, let's take a look packet.json. So the packet.json file contains metadata about the project, including dependencies and script. So for making this project.json file, I have run npm init command to generate this packet.json file. And so after creating packet.json file, I have downloaded some extension and some JavaScript framework like Express and some libraries like Multer, XLSX, and Note Mailer for sending emails by using command npm install. After creating packet.json and downloading libraries, now we'll set up a .env file. So here we have a .env file. So the .env file where we'll store sensitive information like email and password used for sending email. Now we have index.html file. So it is a basic and simple HTML structure. So in this I have used inbuilt CSS. So here is the form where the teacher can upload the attendance Excel file. It's a simple HTML form with an input for selecting the file. So I have used here CSS in the style tag, and then I have made a form using the form tag of HTML5. And so now take a look of backend. So for backend, I have used JavaScript. So index.js. So this is the basically index.js and the most important file of this project. So now we have index.js. So let's walk through the code line by line so that I can explain what each block does and its purpose in the student attendance management system. So first of all, I have import a module named Express. So the Express is basically a web framework for Node.js to handle HTTP requests and serve web pages. And then I import Mulder. So it is a basically a middleware for handling the file uploads used here. So basically it is used here for uploading Excel file. Then we have then I import XLSX library. So it is a basically a JavaScript library, a library to read and manipulate basically Excel files. So it is used here for manipulating Excel file. Then I import .env and path for giving the path, and it provides basically utilities for work with file and directory paths. And then we have .env, so it loads environment variable from .env file to keep sensitive data like email and password secure. And now we have this .env.config. So it is basically this loads the environment variable from the .env file into your Node.js application. So it allows you to use variables like email, password, and port. And then we have app is equal to express. So it is basically used to initialize the express application. And then we have a port. So um, I have set port as 3000. And now we have this upload is equal to multer. So this configures multer to store uploaded files in the upload directory temporarily, and the multer handles file uploads coming from the form on the front end, and we'll see how it's connected to the form later. And then we have these two lines. So these two lines enable the express app to parse incoming JSON and URL encoded data, allowing us to handle form data and JSON payloads. So this is basically home route to serve the upload file. Then the upload route to handle the Excel file. So this code is used for upload route to handle Excel file. And then we have some functions. So here we have function to read Excel file and find student whose attendance is less than 60%. And then this is a filter for those students with the attendance less than 60%. And here we have a function to send the emails to their parents. So here we have a email service, and then we have uh, here we have a loop so that we can send so, so that we can send multiple mails. So here we have a message we want to send through email. So here the student name and the enrollment number will be there, and the total percentage of the students. So basically, and here we have a message. Then this will send email, and this is basically used for start server. So here we have some more folders. So the view folder in which two file dashboard.ejs and dashboard.html is there. So first of all, let's take a look at dashboard.html. So this is for basic uh, dashboard. So let's take a look at there. So this is the dashboard of my project. So here you can upload your Excel file and upload, and by clicking here you can upload your Excel file. And now we have dashboard.ejs file. So basically it is a express file in which css is there, html is there, and this is a basic dashboard.ejs file. And now we have login page. So here we have a basic login page. So let's take a look. So so this is the basic login page. Now that everything is set up, let's run the application and test it. So let's open the terminal. So here we have a terminal. So node file name index.js. So yes, server running on uh, basically 3000 lost. So let's open a browser, and I'll open the browser and go to the open the browser, go to the. So here we have URL. So login. This is the basic login page. So here is a basic dashboard of my project. So now here we have an option to upload and select a Excel file. So let's take a look this. So here I have an Excel file in which some students data is there. So let's upload this file. So now it is processing. It will take some time. So yes, email sent successfully. So here we can see the email has been sent to the this and this. So yeah, this is working. And finally, I upload this project or push this project on GitHub. So let's take a look there. So so here we have GitHub. So let's open GitHub. So this is my GitHub dashboard. Here we have my repositories. So this is the project. So yeah, here we have all the project, all the files that I have included in my project. So here is the thing. So during this project, I have learned many things. So let's talk about them. So firstly, let's talk about Express.js. So Express is a user-friendly framework that simplifies the development process of Node applications. It uses JavaScript as a programming language and provides an efficient way to build web applications and APIs. With Express, you can easily handle routes, requests, and responses, which makes the process of creating robust and scalable applications much easier. Moreover, it is a lightweight and flexible framework that is easy to learn and comes loaded with middleware options. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Express is a great choice for build your application. So the next technology is Node.js. So the Node.js is an open source server environment that use JavaScript on server. A Node.js application runs within a single process without generating a new thread for each request. Node.js includes asynchronous input-output primitives as a part of its standard library, which prevents JavaScript code from blocking, and in general, libraries in Node.js are developed using non-blocking paradigms. This makes blocking behavior the exception instead of the rule. Node.js has a unique advantage because millions of front-end developers who write JavaScript for the browser can now write server-side code without needing to learn a completely new language. Node.js is one of the popular choice for developing RESTful APIs, microservers, and web applications. So the next technology is Multer. So Multer is an NPM package commonly used in Node.js applications for handling multi-part or form data, particularly for file uploads. It simplifies the process of handling file uploads by providing middleware that can be easily integrated into Express.js applications. So now let's talk about some features of npm multer. So the first feature is file uploads. So allows uploading files from client side form to the server. Then we have a middleware integrates seamlessly with Express.js middleware, making it easy to handle file uploads within routes. Then we have file storage. Next feature is the file storage. Provides option for storing uploads files on the server, such as in-memory storage, disk storage, or using a custom storage engine. Then the next feature is file filtering. Supports filtering uploaded file based on file type, size, and other criteria. Then the next feature is error handling. So offer error handling for file uploads, including handling file size limits, invalid file types, and other uploaded related error. So the next one is NodeMailer. It is a JavaScript library. So NodeMailer is an NPM module that allows you to send email easily from the backend. And here we have some approach to send email with NodeMailer using Gmails. So first of all, we have to import the NodeMailer module. Then we have to use this NodeMailer.create transport. So now let's talk about the key feature of this project. So a secure login page for the administrators and teachers using season management to protect sensitive routes. Authentication ensure only authorized user can access the dashboard and upload attendance data. So now by clicking on the login, users are automatically directed to the dashboard. And here we have a user friendly dashboard. So here you can upload your Excel file, and after uploading the Excel file, uh, the those students who have the attendance less than 60% will directly get a email. After logging in, users are redirected to a dashboard displaying a welcome page and option to upload attendance file. The dashboard provides a useful user-friendly interface for a file upload and viewing attendance record. User can upload Excel file and containing student attendance data. The system processes the upload files, extracting necessary information such as student name, enrollment number, total percentage, and parents' emails. And by uploading here, by selecting the Excel file and clicking on the upload file, the parents will get the notification. So, through the student attendance management system project, I developed valuable technical skills and gained a deeper understanding of web development practices. The project provides a real world context for applying theoretical knowledge, enhancing both my coding abilities and my understanding of application functionality. This experience will serve as a solid foundation for future projects in web development and software engineering. So in this project, I mainly used Node.js. So basically, it is used for enable effective handling of asynchronous events, making it ideal for input-output heavy application like web servers. It allows us application to handle multiple requests simultaneously without blocking. And then I have used Express.js. So basically, Express simplifies the process of building server-side application, handling routing, middleware integration, and request or response management. It streamlines the creation of APIs, making it easier to develop your attendance management system. And then I have used some um, inbuilt libraries like Multer, NodeMailer for sending a mail, and for handling the Excel file, I have used JavaScript library for reading and writing Excel file named XLSX. And I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and each of these technologies plays a crucial role in the overall functionalities and performance of the student attendance management system project. Together, they create a robust platform for tracking student attendance, sending notification, and improving communication between college and parents. Understanding these technologies not only enhance our technical skill but also prepares you for further projects in the web development. Thank you.